Hi! Is your Xiaomi Media Mop Pro refusing to charge? Does it turn on, but when it comes to connecting with its charger, it just won't? Sounds familiar? But don't worry, we've got the fix for you. Let's dive into a real-life repair story and see how we handled this robot vacuum issue to get it fixed. So, we had a customer reach out, saying their Xiaomi Media Mop Pro could turn on but just wouldn't charge. They asked us for help, and we jumped right in. Check this out. We plugged in the robot to the dock, and drumroll please, it just sat there, totally clueless about charging. We unplugged and plugged it back in, still nothing. After some serious sleuthing, we took a closer look and discovered the culprit, a faulty battery. Mystery solved. No wonder it wouldn't take a charge. Respect for that little battery trying to hold on. But it was time for a change. So, we suggested a battery replacement to bring it back to life. But wait, there's more. Since this robot has been around the block a few times, we also recommended our deep cleaning service. We dismantle it, clean out every nook and cranny, and make sure the robot performs like it's fresh out of the box. So, we got the customer's approval for our recommendations and got to work. Kota! Look at that! The Xiaomi Media Mop Pro is now back in action. Not only can it finally charge again, but it's looking all fresh and ready to tackle dirt like a pro. Our customer was thrilled when we returned the robot because it now works perfectly. Need help with your robot vacuum? Contact us today, and we'll get your robot vacuum back to its cleaning glory.